In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Slack step by step. These two powerful tools can help streamline your workflow, making collaboration easier and more efficient. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where the magic begins. If you're not logged in already, you'll want to do that next. So, go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner of the page. You can choose to log in using your email or simply use your Google account for a quick sign-in process. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard where you'll see all your boards. On the left-hand side, you'll spot a section called Your Workspaces. Go ahead and navigate to this section. Once you're there, click on the specific board you want to connect with Slack. Keep in mind that you might want to choose a board that's regularly used for team collaboration. This will ensure you get the most out of the Slack integration. After selecting your board, locate the Workspace Settings option. You'll find this in the top right corner of your board. Clicking here will open up various settings for you to explore. Within these settings, look for an option labeled Add to Slack. This is your gateway to connecting the two platforms. Once you choose Add to Slack, a new page will prompt you to authorize the connection. It's always a good practice to review the permissions being requested to ensure you're comfortable with how the integration will interact with both Trello and Slack. When you're ready, click on Allow. Slack will ask you to confirm this step, so once again click Allow to finalize the setup. And just like that, your Slack workspace is now connected to your Trello board. From now on, any changes or updates made within this Trello board can automatically be pushed to Slack, keeping your team informed in real time without having to hop between apps. By setting this up, you'll save your team time, reduce the number of manual updates needed, and ensure that everyone is kept in the loop effortlessly. Both Trello and Slack are designed to enhance productivity, so combining their strengths will truly transform your work processes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Connecting Trello to Slack is an easy and efficient way to manage your projects and improve communication within your team. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the help documentation of either tool. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.